Welcome guys to this new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started creating a quiz directly in Google Forms. It's simple and effective. First of all, what I need to do is to access Google Forms. I have the site, google.com, so I can add this form directly in Google Forms. If you want to add an actual quiz and use that quiz instead of adding it directly to a website, what you need to do is to go to your applications and select Forms. Here it is, docs.google.com Forms. Now, you need to look out and start a new form. Once you are in Google Forms, click on a blank template or blank form. You will be prompted to give a form title. Go ahead and name it something relevant to your quiz. For example, you can name it Math Quiz. Add a form description if needed. Next, it's time to add some questions to your quiz. You can choose from a variety of question types, including multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, short answers, and more. Simply click on Question 1. For example, you have an untitled question. Let's use 5 plus 7. Option 1, 12. Option 2, 10. Option 3, 14. If you create a quiz, you need to set correct answers for each question. To do this, click on the Answer Key option at the bottom of the question to select the correct answer. Here on the left, you can see options for images, sections, etc. Choose the 3 dots and go to the section based on the answer. If someone selects an answer, they should be taken to section 1 or submit the form directly. To make it an actual quiz, go to Settings and enable the section that says, Make this a quiz. Assign point values, set answers, and provide feedback automatically. After each submission, you can release grades if you want to. You can specify correct answers, point values, and question default point values. For responses, you can collect email addresses, show the progress bar, shuffle question order, and more. Now I'm going to add another question. For example, let's use 8 plus 4. Focus on the answer key. 1 point for the correct answer. Select the correct answer and hit Done. Repeat this for additional questions such as 9-3 and set the correct short answer. Lastly, customize the theme if desired. Change the colors, background, and more. Once done, click Send to get a link. Copy the URL and open it in a private window to test your quiz. Now you have the title, description, and 3 questions. Assume you want to answer the quiz. Select the answers and click Send. Finally, choose the option to see your score. Since you made the quiz, you know the correct answers. That's it. Google Forms makes it easy to create and share interactive quizzes, whether for school, work, or fun. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Ween Boy for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can see you next time. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.